One of the most common questions that we get is around categories of water. Today, we want to explain this industry language and help you understand the potential dangers of each category to eliminate the confusion that property owners may experience during a crisis. Now, as you may already know, Rocky Mountain Restoration has been mitigating residential and commercial property damage for more than a decade and have helped thousands of property owners. So, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one. First up, we have clean water. This is water that comes from rain, condensation, leaking pipes, or even a broken water line. Although it might not sound harmful, clean water actually can cause significant damage if it's not addressed quickly. Next, we have gray water. This is slightly contaminated water. It's usually from dishwashers, washing machines, clean toilets. It can cause more damage than clean water due to the contaminants that it carries, and it also can pose a minor health risk if it's not handled properly. And lastly, we've got black water. This is the most dangerous type of water. It comes from sewage, rising floodwaters, or any water that's been standing long enough to grow bacteria. Gross. Black water is a serious health risk, and it requires immediate professional attention. Remember, no matter the water type, the key to minimizing water damage is quick action. If you have water damage, call Rocky Mountain Restoration anytime, any day.